fine. You look fine. Come on.
Bomb's on his way!
Oh, thank you, Freddy. You saved the town from that evil prolapsed anus.
What's Patrick more than SpongeBob?
Patrick is a dirty
Fucking Nick!
Alright. I say, when we down mom, we had to pop by that show. Capaz como empate me acuerdo, una mujer que yo temía, que se me murió.
Guys, I'm so trapped. I have no umbrella.
Top 5 Scary Rabbits. Número 5. Scary Car Crash.
Turn left.
Número 4. Scary Dog. Número 3. Angry Rabbit.
Why am I stuck in traffic? Don't they know? Don't they know who I am? The Doctor of Poop, that's who I am.
Número 2. Rabbit's Ritual. Honorable mención. Número 1. Scary Rabbits Scream.
What time is it?
cooking turkey time.
Reach in there and pull it out.
What is this?
It's turkey dick.
Do you have any information on what they stole?
I don't know. But as long as they don't touch the peanut butter, because I did stuff to it.
You got anything to drink?
There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. I accidentally spilled a drop on the floor.
Little man, don't even worry about it. There's nothing more that you can do to this car.
Hey gang, it's me, Tony, and today we're gonna see if I'm faster than this mousetrap. Turns out, I'm not faster than this mousetrap. And update, it hurts. Alright.
I hate when people underestimate my fastness. I'm fast. I'm so fast, you couldn't even comprehend how fast I am.
God damn it! What is your problem? You're gonna ruin my fucking face.
I really shouldn't have to explain this again. I'm fast. I'm so fast.
Nothing. You sure? You weren't choking your chicken. No. Then what the hell were you doing in here, boy? Niggas have badges sometimes, you know. But look, I'm straight.
I remember you was conflicted.
What? What? I was what?
I didn't say anything.
What the fuck did I do?
What?
Fuck! You're fat as fuck.
Hello.
Ah! I like to eat shit! Ah! I like to eat shit!
Stabilization?
Sure. Alright, let's do it. Set. Go!
Oh, man.
I made a boo-boo.
She went to
you kidding? You just saved me.
I'm free.
I will trap Santa in my box, locked up like Fort Knox, and make him stop my clock.